Let's talk bar math. This can be frustrating for some because you think it's something and then you add it up again and it's something else. All right, you don't know how many times I've double checked my client's work and it was something much heavier or lighter than whatever they said it was. So, first of all, you just want to take your time. It's not a rush. You want to take your time. You also want to double check. Okay, so first things first, you want to know how heavy your bar is. It's probably a 45 or 35. If you are not sure, please ask a trainer, ask someone nearby. They can help you out. The 45s are usually longer than the 35s, and obviously they're heavier. Okay, so once you know your bar, so at minus 45, then you're going to start adding your weight. I like to start in and go out, and I like to do both sides together. Some people count one side, then try to count the other side. I like to count both together. Let me show you. So the bar is 45. I have a 25, a 10, and a 5 on each side. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 25s. And I like to count by tens. That's just the most simplest way to count to me. So 45. Then you have 55, 65, 75, 85. And then the fives, because it's a 25, makes it 95. I'm going to do that again. So the bar is 45, and I have a 25 on each side to start. So 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, plus the fives make 95. Okay? Then I have the tens. That's 105. Other 10, 115. Okay? Then I have the 5. That's 120. Other 5, 125. Okay, so I like to start in, go out, do both sides, and count by tens. That is the easiest way. I feel like I have very few mistakes when I do this way. Some people do one side of the bar, then the other side, and that's just kind of too much adding to me. I feel like if you do both at the same time, counting by tens, you're good. So 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. 105, 115, 120, 125. All right, so bar math, double check yourself. If you think you have it, check again. And if you want to, get a calculator out. That helps too. So don't frustrate yourself, but it can be a lot, especially if you have like a bunch of different weights on your bar. But the first things first, you want to know how heavy your bar is. That's very important. Okay, so bar math. Add everything up at the same time going out. Okay, and count by tens. That helps me.